In the haunted house, Water's Edge Inn, guests will check in and explore a crumbling and decaying seaside inn that does not live up to its reviews. But we'll get Nikki's review. And everything on.
Okay, here we go. I'm ready. Ooh, which way do I go? Where's the you got me! Where's the stone? Oh! Oh my god! It wasn't me! It wasn't you! Oh, hi! Find the stone, please! Find the stone! This way! Oh, you gotta find the stone! Wait, where am I going? Oh my god, ew!
The stone is mine!
Well, your first ever SeaWorld Howl-O-Scream haunted house.
Yes.
You're all hooked up to a camera.
I was.
You guys saw her reaction. I think they got you a few times.
I think so. Yeah, they did. I mean, honestly, I got so turned around in there because the light is on your face, so
Yeah.
I like didn't know which way to go, like left or right.
Oh my goodness! Hello, everyone. Hello. There she goes.
So yeah, it was cool. It was a good,
cool.
you know, first one of the season for here. Very first inaugural event.
And we'll go back in it again.
Okay. Hopefully I won't get turned around this next time.
Yeah. You know what to do now.
I know what to do.
Look for that stone, apparently.
I guess so.
Well, anyway, if you have a chance and you're in the area, you want another Halloween thing to do, for the first time ever, you can come to Howl-O-Scream at SeaWorld Orlando and check it out. And again, thanks to SeaWorld Media for having us out.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. We had a blast tonight. It was so much fun.
And as always,
don't miss the magic, don't miss the scares.
thanks for watching Rix Flix. And now it's time to relax.